Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a weekly analysis, going over all of the things I could have done better this week, and like what really should have happened, and like how much I should have made this week, and just like basically everything that I've done wrong and everything that I could have done better. So it's just going to be a full analysis of this entire week from Monday to Friday. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So first I need to finish graphing out my sessions. Opens here. So you have London lows here, or Asian lows there, London lows here. Those get swept off market open. I'm pretty sure Monday was supposed to be a no trade day. I still looked for entries. I think I was also looking for shorts from this bias because we pushed above these highs here, which were all-time highs at the time. Hmm. Okay, yeah, so we were looking for shorts today. Basically our window was like, I can basically just go over this like easily. I don't even need to mark out take profit points. Market opens here, and well, pre-market went out, swept out London lows, and then basically just went up and pushed higher with no sort of retracement whatsoever. So if you're looking for longs, you would have not been able to take this. But shorts, basically what we had, we were looking for a break of structure below lows here, here, and here, but we didn't even get a break of structure here because it goes here, and then by 11 it's not broken below. So we wouldn't have ended up trading today because there was no break of structure here. What I did end up entering off of was just a simple 1 minute break of structure, which was not enough because like literally by this point, like we were so far past our liquidity sweep. So this was just such an invalid price point to enter on. Yeah, I entered like off of this break of structure right here, and then immediately price reversed and stopped me out because my stop loss was right above here. So, yes, whatever. It's not like a big deal or anything. It's a small loss. I also de-risked here because of like how unlikely this was, a price pushing all the way down back to here. So that's basically like, that's all there really even was for Monday. So let's just go over to what we were looking at for Tuesday. So yeah, Monday should have been no trades at all. Honestly, logs look pretty good today for Tuesday. If I were to take longs here. And honestly, like I so could have taken longs Tuesday if I really felt up to it. And like same with Wednesday. Wednesday had like great longs. But we'll get into that in a second. But our bias was shorts again for Tuesday. That move gets hit, but we did not get the retracement we would have wanted to enter in off of. So yeah, as you can see, this is the push. How was our bias shorts? What? Was there a high like there? Oh, there was like a little baby high right here that price just looked above. That's not, this isn't shorts at all. This is like so longs. Private targets here and here. From what I've seen from Tuesday, I'm pretty sure this was a no trade day with our strategy. You know, this is like kind of stupid because yeah, London session opens and price pushes above this high right here, so you're looking for shorts because that was our first manipulation on London session market open. And as you can see, it does end up getting hit. Market opens, it sweeps London session highs, and then it goes out, takes out London lows, previous day lows, and another previous day low. And then it kind of just slows down here. It doesn't reach all the way down here. So yeah, like three take profits get hit off this move down. The thing I was looking for here on Tuesday was just a fair value gap to get hit here, which as you can see it doesn't end up getting hit. Because I needed this candle here to push into the gap, and then we look for a reversal off of that, and then we target here and here and here. But that didn't happen, so no trades were taken on Tuesday. But the long setup we would have looked for on Tuesday, honestly, like it wasn't like that good, but it wasn't that bad either. Because like basically off of this candle right here, we would have taken longs. Stop loss like basically here. Honestly, longs probably like here. Stop loss here. And by the end of the day, we would have like it just keeps like bouncing in our stop loss. By like the end of the day at about like 11, it's normally when I close my positions, would have been like a small gain because we would have aimed to get price all the way back up here, but it just decides to bounce within this fair value gap here for a while and then just not really move. Yeah, the most you could have gotten off of here is like there, but it's whatever. So yeah, basically this would have been against our bias if we took this, so I'm not like taking this. But it's just like a weaker trade that we could have taken because as you can see, this was the main move, leg down off a market open, and then price doesn't really go anywhere after that. So let's go to Wednesday here. So I think this was shorts because we like immediately sweep out Asian, the highest point of Asian session right there. So yeah, it's like literally this was the same exact situation as Tuesday, except market opens and it goes and I think sweeps out. Yeah, I think this was an hourly low here. It sweeps out one hourly low, so I was ideally not looking to enter off of this. And the fair value gap was here that we had. Just like rough estimate. Price doesn't push into there. There's another fair value gap we get right here. Price also does not push into there. As you can see, it gets created, doesn't get pushed into. And then it goes, pushes lower, takes out lows here, and just kind of stops for the day. Oh, you could have entered here. Hold on, I just want to look at something real quick. Because if we look for longs here again on Wednesday, how does this end up playing out? Push into the gap, right? Break of structure. And then we could like have stop loss here, and then we could have taken longs all the way up to these highs. Like here, yeah, that's a long point. And up here, yeah, those are two take profit points. So yeah, if we took longs, we definitely could have made profit, but yeah, our bias got hit too early, so no trades Wednesday as well. So that's like literally it. Then let's move on to Thursday. I think Thursday was just like a little like choppy. It didn't really move that much. Yeah, I think I wanted a retracement. Oh, I took a loss on Thursday. Oh, yeah, because I traded off of like a pre-market trade almost. Because I was looking for price to go and retrace. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing Thursday because not even like not a one of my back testing sessions like gave me confirmation that this was a right thing to do. We don't really get there, but if I entered in like here, I could have gotten into this gap and then had it push higher. Yeah, there's just like almost every day there's a potential trade that I could have taken that I didn't end up taking. Yeah, this was longs because we swept Asian lows there. And then pre-market also swept London lows. And targets were here and here. So basically what I saw here for this missed entry, there's a gap here. And like it looks like the gap gets inverted, but what there actually was before that happens, where are we? We're right here. Before that happens, there was a break of structure just barely above this high, and I just entered into longs with my stop loss right. Honestly, yeah, my stop, no, not there. It was right below here, and then we push below there. We push a little higher, don't hit my take profit point, then we push even lower, and then throughout the day, what we get is we sweep out more liquidity down here. Actually, was there even liquidity here? I think there was like a fair value gap here that price pushed into on the 1 hour. And then right here a gap gets created. And then later in the day at like 12:30ish about price pushes into there and then it pushes out and then it hits our take profit point here and here. And then it's just kind of like done for the day. But we inevitably didn't end up trading because our trading window with this strategy is just to 11. So as you can see, we get a break of structure out of those liquidity sweeps, but we don't get any retracements, so we didn't end up entering. All right, last day is Friday, which is right here. There's also no trades here because our bias, I think, also got taken out too early to be able to enter in off of. Yeah, and these are also longs. Yeah, this actually did have like a really good setup for longs. We just did not get a retracement because I was like really expecting to actually be able to enter today. But like even though like I'm pretty sure this is a London highs. London highs got taken out here. Even though this happened, I saw like a fair value gap right in here and I was like if the fair value gap got pushed into before taking out my second take profit, which was like up here somewhere, I just know there's another one like within this range. Yeah, but like if it was like at this point, if I was able to get price to push into this zone before pushing above these highs, like off of like this wick here, like if this candle was a down candle, like into the fair value gap, and then we had push out of it, I would have been like fine targeting here. And then I would have targeted, like this would have been my take profit one, and this would have been my take profit two. Which got hit anyways. It was just like I need more confirmation to enter, otherwise I would be at risk of taking a loss. So it's really whatever. Got the push out of it, which is what we needed. But that honestly might low key be it. Like this was an entire week of just not really taking trades, even though there were some moves I could have taken. Yeah, there were definitely moves I could have taken this week. I just didn't end up taking them. So it's like whatever, bro. Like I could have traded but I didn't trade. Yeah, this was our bias. We didn't trade because the gap didn't get hit. Yeah, there was just nothing to get hit on Friday. Like our bias lined up with how price moved, but like just there's just no retracement here. Like even on EQ, if you look at EQ here, the low is all the way down here, so it gives us even better EQ. We just don't even push down at all. We just hit take profit one and then just kind of consolidate, and then we hit take profit three, and then we just consolidate for like the entire rest of the day. But honestly, if we targeted EQ like right here after that's already been hit, like that honestly would have been pretty stupid. But hold on, let me just try something. What if we try to get a reversal off of here? Do we even break structure? Right here, no, 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 right here, no. Yeah, and then we go into PM session. So don't even change structure. So no reversal at all. And then we just continue the trend and we just push even higher. So yeah, whatever. No trades this week. I lost about like 500 or something this week. We shouldn't have traded at all this week following the strategy. But yeah, that's probably it. Subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Comment if you need help with anything trading related. I'll be happy to make a video to help you guys out. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday for our trading recap. Oh, hopefully I can do something. Okay, bye.